action camera season has officially begun, and soon after the GoPro Hero 13 Black was heavily leaked, information regarding the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a possible rival, was also leaked. We're going to discuss the actual benefits that the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro offers today. Alright, let's get started. According to packaging images shared by Jasper Ellens on X, the new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro seems to confirm earlier rumors from July. Like its predecessor, the DJI Osmo Action 4, it will feature a 1x1.3 in CMOS sensor with an f-stop 2.8 aperture and a 155 depth field of view. However, this time the sensor is reportedly all new. It's still unclear why DJI has decided to give this model the Pro label. One intriguing spec mentioned on the packaging is the extended battery life of up to 4 hours. This would be a notable improvement. As our review of the DJI Osmo Action 4 described its battery performance as average, an extended battery life could be a significant enhancement for users. Another potential enhancement is the professional audio recording capability with a DJI mic connection, although it's uncertain how this differs from the Osmo Action 4. The previous model already allowed users to connect the original DJI mic receiver via the camera's USB-C port, so it's not clear if this is an upgrade or simply a refinement of the existing feature. One aspect that does seem to have been improved is the autofocus. According to the leaked packaging, the camera will offer subject tracking with enhanced precision. It's still unknown if DJI has addressed another issue we had with the Osmo Action 4, its relatively long minimum focus distance of 0.4 meter, but that would certainly be a welcome improvement for capturing action scenes up close. As of now, there's no information about the pricing or release date for the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. However, considering that the upgrades seem to be relatively minor, we expect the price to be similar to the Action 4, which was around $399. The new Pro label could suggest that DJI might be planning to launch a cheaper non-Pro version as well. The most notable aspect of the recent leaks for the DJI Action 5 Pro and the GoPro Hero 13 Black is that both cameras seem to be offering only modest upgrades. However, this isn't necessarily a drawback. While many fans of DJI and GoPro were hoping for a 1-inch sensor, it appears both companies have decided to stick with smaller sensors for their 2024 flagship models. This choice could be due to practical considerations, such as the impact on software features and the increased processing power that a larger sensor would require. For those specifically wanting a 1-inch sensor for better low-light performance, the Insta360R 1-inch edition is still an option. Additionally, the Insta360 Ace Pro, which offers 8K capabilities, is one of the top action cameras available, albeit at a higher price of $449. Despite this, the Action 5 Pro and Hero 13 Black are likely to remain reliable choices at a slightly lower price point. Currently, the most significant innovations in the action camera market seem to be coming from 360 cameras like the Insta360 X4. We're also eagerly anticipating the long-awaited GoPro Max 2, which might be announced during the Hero 13 Black launch. It's possible that DJI could be drawn into this space too, unless it's too focused on its rumored mirrorless camera. That's all for today. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.